Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook video not playing on iPhone problem. So if you're trying to play a video on Facebook and the video is just not being played, it is being stuck or it is just loading. In that case, the first thing you need to do is check if your internet is slow or not. Sometimes due to slow internet it causes the problem. So if your internet is slow, try to change your internet into something fast and your problem should be fixed. And let's say your internet is not the issue but the video is still not being played. In that case, just close your Facebook and reopen it again. Sometimes when we keep on watching Facebook for a really long time, it bugs out. So closing and reopening it should fix it. If it's still not fixed, then what you can do is check if there is any update available on Facebook. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook and see if there's any update. If your Facebook says open, that means it's up to date. But if it shows you update, click on it and update your Facebook. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then delete your Facebook app and reinstall it again. Sometimes doing this fixes the issue as well. Now until now, if you have followed all the settings which I told you, it should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, what you need to do is go on your browser and search for is Facebook down detector like this. And click on Facebook down, the first option, down detector. We're going to see if Facebook servers are down or not. So it says user report indicates no problem at Facebook, which means Facebook server is not down. But if it showed user report indicates problem at Facebook, then that means Facebook is currently facing problem. And the only thing we can do is wait until their servers are on again. Once their servers are on again, we can start watching videos on Facebook again. So these are the way on how we guys can fix this issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.